Discover how AI technology can revolutionize your business and how to successfully transition into an AI-driven future. Are you wondering if now is the time to implement AI technology in your business? In this video, we're going to be exploring the ethical implications of this new technology and providing insights into how businesses can successfully transition into an AI-driven future. From understanding potential job losses to protecting customers' privacy, this video will provide you with the knowledge that you need to successfully use AI for increased efficiency and superior performance. Join us as we explore the current role of AI and its potential to revolutionize the business world. Subscribe to AI today and keep watching this video to gain the knowledge and insights you need to make the most out of AI technology in your business. With our help, you can successfully transition into an AI-driven future and revolutionize the business world. Don't miss out. AI can be a great tool for businesses to help them grow, but before you use it, it's important to understand what AI is and how it works. AI stands for artificial intelligence, when machines and algorithms can act like humans in certain situations, like controlling systems without help. This technology has been popular in data science methods like machine learning, or ML. ML has become really popular because it can be used in a lot of different industries, from finance to healthcare. With AI, companies can automate tasks like customer service queries, which saves them money. At an even deeper level, AI can make decisions quickly using predictive analytics. This is when companies use data from the past to predict what will happen in the future. This is something that usually takes a lot of time and resources to do, but when using AI, it can be done very quickly. Before using AI, it's important to think about the ethical, social, and moral implications. What kind of boundaries do stakeholders need to consider before implementing a new business strategy that relies completely on AI? AI can have a huge impact on businesses, so it's important to think about where AI could be the most useful. This can include things like automated customer queries or using predictive analytics to predict future trends. Companies also need to think about the ethical implications of using AI, like making sure that they have clear policies about development, privacy, and other related duties. Everyone involved should also set boundaries for how AI is used in the company. When you're using this technology, a company needs to think about what they want to achieve. They should also consider the potential consequences of using AI, like increased efficiency or higher unemployment rates. Automation and AI can help companies become more efficient by taking on tasks that are time-consuming or difficult, like answering customer service questions. Predictive analytics also lets businesses use data from the past to predict what might happen in the future, something that used to take up a lot of staff time. But before using AI in business strategies, it's important for everyone involved, employees and customers, to think about the ethical implications, like privacy policies and moral duties that come with this ever-changing technology landscape. A thought-provoking question related to implementing AI is, what do you think AI and government should do when introducing new technologies like artificial intelligence? What measures should governments be taking to ensure responsible use of artificial intelligence? Share your comments in the thoughts below. Implementing AI into a business can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. First, figure out what tools you need to automate or simplify things like customer service inquiries in order to fulfill fulfillment. Then, use data science methods like machine learning to determine which areas need automation. ML is popular because it can be used in many industries, from healthcare to finance, and it helps businesses automate repetitive activities quickly, saving them time and money. Predictive analytics also helps businesses make decisions quickly without having to spend a lot of time analyzing past trends. Instead, it uses current parameters to quickly predict future outcomes. A good question to ask is, how can we make sure that AI's use in businesses benefits society as a whole? Using artificial intelligence in businesses can be really helpful. It can do things like automated customer service and predictive analytics, helping companies make decisions quickly. Automating tasks can save time and energy, and predictive analytics can help companies make more accurate predictions by using current data instead of looking at past trends, which can take more time and resources. However, AI does have ethical implications, and it's important for people in charge to think about privacy policies before using AI in business strategies. They should also think about how this new technology might affect people's jobs if certain positions become automated. A thought-provoking question is, what do governments need to do when introducing AI systems so that everyone can benefit? Using AI in business comes with a lot of ethical considerations. As AI systems become more common, it's important to think about how they use our personal data and the decisions they make. We're already using AI technologies like automated customer support or predictive analytics that quickly interprets data without us having to think about the risks involved. It's important that everyone involved takes an active role in introducing new technology. This includes legal disclaimers around development processes, understanding how AI could change industry, and potential issues with privacy and morality. To make sure AI is used responsibly, governments need to put regulations in place. This includes safety protocols, user control, and end-to-end transparency. So here's a question to think about. What methods should governments be putting in place before adopting artificial intelligence so everyone involved understands their responsibilities? What measures should governments be taking to ensure responsible use of artificial intelligence? Share your thoughts in the comments below. When assessing the AI readiness of your business, there's a few important areas to look at before getting started. Are you collecting data in a way that can be used effectively with artificial intelligence? It's important to have strong structures and processes in place for recording historical data so it can be used for predictive analytics or automated customer service inquiries. Next, consider whether your current technology infrastructure is up to date enough to manage more complex AI solutions like machine learning or ML. ML requires powerful computers and databases that need regular updates and maintenance if they're going to handle larger projects over time. Finally, think about which tasks could benefit from automation first, what roles would require large workload reductions or technological advancements without disrupting existing operations too much. Once all these factors are considered, businesses should think about how introducing new technologies like AI will affect their daily routines. Will teams become overwhelmed by changes they don't yet understand? What responsibilities do companies have when it comes to ethical issues related to this type of technology on customers' personal information collected during use of services or products offered by them? To ensure successful transitioning into an environment where artificial intelligence plays a key role, proper planning is necessary. Investments must align strategically towards creating effective organizational gains while also keeping prices economical. So here's one thought-provoking question related to preparing for the future of AI. How do leaders develop plans now needed today, both short-term and long-term, within rapidly changing technology landscapes, fully understanding the potential impact those might bring on worker roles and lifestyle transformation, given the substantial possibility of certain activities becoming obsolete due to automations led through the implementation of artificial intelligence into organizations? Businesses need to stay ahead of the competition if they want to succeed, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence. Companies who can adopt and integrate new AI trends quickly will have a better chance of staying relevant, so it's important for business leaders to not only understand the current role that AI plays in their industry, but be mindful of what changes new technology could bring in terms of automation or data collection processes. Additionally, considering how adoption could impact human existent roles is paramount. Certain activities could become obsolete due to automations led through implementation of artificial intelligence within organizations, forming a potential conflict between efficiency and workforce stability as top priorities for decision makers. To navigate this situation effectively requires an understanding of best practices on both fronts, from creating policies related to job categories or responsibilities affected by changing environments, as well as pertinent ethical considerations around information collected during use of services provided by companies implementing those technologies. So here's one thought-provoking question to make sure inclusion doesn't end up negatively impacting the foundations of the workplace today. How should businesses develop strategies not just to transition successfully into an environment where artificial intelligence plays a key role, but also doing so while preserving equity and respecting all stakeholders involved? It's no surprise that artificial intelligence has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. AI can do things that humans would normally struggle with, like automated customer service inquiries or data-driven decisions without needing lots of training or resources. It's true that certain tasks may become obsolete due to automation, but businesses should also be thinking about implementing new technologies and how that can improve productivity levels. We shouldn't view these advances as just taking away jobs, but rather as an opportunity for job creation where skills can be used more efficiently and effectively than ever before. Successful companies must focus on what humans can achieve when combined with automation tools like machine learning, predictive analytics, and natural language processing and generation. This type of collaboration can increase efficiency and value generated for customers and internal teams, while freeing up time spent managing current workloads. This allows staff members to think innovatively and push boundaries further into the future. So here's one thought-provoking question. What strategies need to be developed so that changes brought about by AI adoption don't end up negatively impacting employee morale? AI can be a powerful tool for businesses to automate tasks, save time, and make decisions quickly, but it is important to think about the ethical considerations of using this technology and how it might impact existing jobs. Companies need to consider data collection processes, safety protocols, user control, and end-to-end transparency whenever they're introducing new AI systems. It's also important to think about how these changes could positively impact both productivity and job creation. In order to make sure AI is used responsibly, governments need to be putting regulations in place, and businesses should develop strategies to ensure that these changes don't negatively impact employee morale. In the next video, you'll learn how MyHeritage is using an AI time machine to revolutionize the way we interact with family histories. Are you ready to explore the future of AI-driven genealogy? Watch the next video now and find out how my heritage is using AI time machines to shape the future of family history research. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to join AI Today by subscribing.